What is up, everybody? Dan in the Fireman here. With the way YouTube is acting, we are going to have to kind of pre-launch the course that we are developing. We're still not finished with it. The goal is to have it done by the end of the year, but we're going to go ahead and do pre-orders, but I'm going to set it up to where it's only 12 monthly payments, so you can kind of get it right away as soon as we really get into it. But it's going to be kind of the area where we're going to be going into with MTC and then having the MTC Rider Academy, which is what this course is going to be about. You're going to learn the Smart Rider principles. You're going to learn everything about it, and we're going to make it as best as possible. And it's going to be kind of like the new platform. So there's going to be discussion boards, there's going to be a forum, there's going to be a bunch of different things that we're going to be having on top of it being on top of a Discord. We're going to have a Discord for it. Sorry, I'm a little frazzled because of the way everything is situated. But if you want to pre-order it, this whole time there was a link at the bottom of the screen. You can go ahead and click it and join. Like I said, it's going to be the cheapest it's ever going to be because we're going to be constantly updating and updating and updating. So we're going to have a rescue course on there. We're hoping to get a stunting. So it cut me off a little bit, but yes, we're going to hopefully get a stunting safely, a rescue course, and a bunch of other things. Possibly developing a mentorship program, teaching and mentoring. Right now, what we have is a bunch of rescue kits that we're going to be working on and putting together. So we got a lot of stuff coming up. If you want to support, think of it kind of like Patreon. Think of it as a tip, but you're actually getting something out of it, and that's going to be the whole Smart Rider Basic Training e-course and a bunch of other things that are going to be happening. So let's go ahead and jump on over there.